What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be installing a upper torque mount for a 2018 1.5 Accord. So the upper torque mount that we're going to be swapping it to is the upper torque mount from a 2.0, and I'm going to show you on how to do it. It's pretty easy install. It's probably going to take you like 10-15 minutes, no more than 20 minutes. And I'm going to drop the link by the description down below. And before anything else, I just want to say thank you for all my subscribers and for your support. I wouldn't be here. We're almost at 1,000, guys, and I can't believe that we're almost to 1,000. I don't even know why I'm saying the same thing, but yeah, I'm just like overwhelmed. Like, it really makes me happy, and it motivates me to produce more great content and for you guys. So glad that I could help and I could make a huge difference with this channel. So enough talking and let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is going to be the part. So the upper torque mount is for a 2.0. This is the part number right here. So this torque mount is for a 2.0, and so we're going to be removing these two bolts over here, and this one you're going to be using 9/16 for the socket wrench. That's going to go over there, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. Alright guys, so this is what it actually look like. So compared to I haven't taken the OEM one, but that one's full rubber in here. So this one's rubber compared to here for the 2.0. It's fully metal. So this one's really going to actually keep the vehicle on the ground. So I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's do it. Alright, so first things first, we're going to loosen these two bolts up. So just like what I mentioned, we're going to be using a 9/16 socket wrench. So when you're loosening it up, it's going towards this way, alright? And mind you, this one's a little tough. I've loosened it up earlier, so I'm just doing it just to show you. There you go. And also one thing to note, these two bolts, once the torque mount is out, they gotta go back the same way, the same place where they are, because it's very specific to which side it is. So it's up to you whether you want to mark it up on which one goes on the top and which is this side, or you could just like if you're organized and if you know what you're doing, then you'll know when to where to put, and you'll see the difference. Alright, so this one is loosened up. So this one is for the lower one. So keep in mind this is going to be the lower area, and I'm just going to loosen up the top one. Make sure you don't take this off, okay? Alright, next thing you want to do is like easily pull it out. And there you go. See the difference? And this one, you're going to be keeping this. We're going to be reusing this. And for this one, this is all rubber. It's like plasticky rubber. Compared to the 2.0 torque mount, it's going to be like this. So the way how you took it off is exactly how you are going to put it back, okay? Alright guys, so after removing the OEM one, you're going to see this, it says up right over here. So that means this face right here is facing up. So when you grab the torque mount from a 2.0, it tells you the same thing, right? So if you don't see that, then you probably got the bootleg one. I'm kidding. But this one, the bottom area right here, if you could see the difference, this one goes on the bottom. So pretty much an easy install. All you gotta do is like put it back over here, and then at the same time, you take this back, put it right over here, and you just grab the bolts. Make sure it's aligned right here. No, that's aligned over there. And make sure on the upper areas mounted as well. All right, this one's not moving. Shake it up a little bit if you feel like it's not locking. All right. And if it's not in, just try to, if you feel like it's not in yet or it's not locking, just try to play around with it until you feel like it's already in place. All right, so once everything is in place, right? So when you're installing this back and you feel like it's going up and down, it's okay, because there's like a, if you notice the hole earlier, it's like sort of like a oval shape. That's just for you to like place this right over here, this bolt right here, and the bolt right over here. Just make sure when like installing it, move it sideways as well to make sure that everything fits. Like this area right over here is not moving. So if I wiggle it, like you see, it's barely moving. I mean, it's moving a little bit because it's not tying it up yet. This one as well. So once everything is all set in here, all you gotta do and tighten it is tighten it up. All right, so once everything like slowly up in there, what you want to do is like tighten it up, give it your full force. All right. All right. And for this one, you want to use an extension if you don't have enough room. Right here. Right. Making sure everything is back in place and tight. There you go. So that's what it's gonna look like. Everything's up in place. And before driving it, make sure everything's like tight in place and there's no loose ends. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like, to be honest with you, the video doesn't even do the justice. If you're actually behind the wheel, you could actually feel the difference. Like, it gives more power. Like, there's no more lag, or your front facia's not even lifting up. It's like goes straight once you hit on the gas pedal, and it gives you just jump from the line. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And you could it's not like a boosted gain of power, but you could actually feel the difference. So in my opinion, it's totally worth it. But if you have the 2.0 already, then you already have it, so you know what I'm talking about. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to drop your comment description below, hit that like button, and subscribe to your boy. Let's hit it to 1,000, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.